Everyone, welcome back to another video. Hope you're fine now, friends. Once again I'm present with the latest update of the Polygon Matic. What's the current price of Polygon Matic? What's the price changes occurs in the Polygon Matic? And this video I will show you, friends. But before starting this interesting video, I request everyone to please subscribe now ABS Tech channel for more this kind of news and updates videos, friends. So my friends, let's see the latest update. What's going on? Let's see. Subscribe now, don't forget to subscribe, my friends. 2.27 USD dollar, friends, is the latest price of the Polygon in the market. That is the currently live price you are watching now on the screen, my friends. And if you look, the price changes occur in the Polygon Matic, so you can see here that the price change is going positive. First of all, I want congrats all Polygon Matic holders that now for the last 1 hour, last 1 day price change is going positive. So that's mean that the prices start moving upward, friends. From the yesterday they start moving upward. From the yesterday the price changes will become positive, but now if you look the last 1 week price change, so the last 1 week price change is still negative, friends. That's mean that the previous time of the Polygon Matic is a very bad time, but now they start moving upward, so I'm very happy for this price. Let's see, my friends, the price chart. What's going on? Oh my god, it's unbelievable jumps occur in the Polygon Matic. And the last time you can see that is the last 2 days price chart of the Polygon Matic. Absolutely a good jumps occur in the last day, but unfortunately you can see here that is the common procedure of the cryptocurrencies market, that after falls there is a jump. So maybe my friends, my prediction about Polygon Matic is that in the start of June there is a lot of chances to they take a jump in the start of June, friends, because my technical analysis tell us that there is a huge pump occurs in the Polygon Matic in the start of June. What do you think? What is your prediction about the Polygon Matic? Please share in the comment box, and don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more this kind of news and updates videos.